Hey people, today I'm going to show you how you can use Skype for the web or Skype online on Windows XP and Windows Vista. And believe me, it is actually very easy. But before I show you how you can do that, you know already that unfortunately Skype is not working anymore on Windows XP and Windows Vista, but what is most important, at the end of 2019 Skype Online or Skype for the web also stopped to work. So it is unfortunate for Windows XP and Windows Vista users, because I understand some people need to have Windows XP or Windows Vista because of some devices or software which doesn't work on newest operating system, and because of that they need to have Windows XP or Vista on their computer. But don't worry, I am going to show you how you can use it, because I believe you already tried to use Skype Online or Skype for the web and you received this message which says browser not supported, and you are devastated. But don't be, because still you can use on Windows XP or Vista Skype for the web. So you need to install Chrome this version, or if you already have this version, don't do nothing about that. And the second thing, I will provide this code, small code, which you need. So basically you need to go to the desktop, right click on the mouse and choose new shortcut, and here in empty space you need to copy this. You need complete this code, you need to copy. Just right click copy, and then here paste and click next. After that you will create a shortcut, and when you need to use Skype for the web, just open like any time, just double click on Google Chrome on this icon or shortcut, and after that you will able to use Skype. I tried on my machine, this is in this moment this is not XP machine, but on other machine or computer I tested this solution which has Windows XP and it normally works. So you will able normally to use Skype for the web. Just insert your username and password. So as you can see, it's quite easy to use Skype for the web on Windows XP and Vista. If you have any problems, please comment, I will try to help you, but it's quite easy. Just copy this text and that's it. So I will repeat process. Highlight this code, like this, click copy, and then you need to create new shortcut and paste this code here and click next. And after that you will create shortcut for Google Chrome, and when you need to use Skype, just use this shortcut, and the Skype for the web will work on Windows XP and Vista. And that's it. I will provide this code in description of this video. Thank you.